Alright, so for this video, we are going to be making the actual slots where the drills go. And as you saw from the previous video, I cut down these boards with my table saw. So these sections here are 9 1/4 long. These are 3 inches thick, and these are 3 inches wide, and these are 2 1/4 inches wide. We're going to be setting up for 2 different drill boxes. And so what I first like to do is, because of where I cut them on the board, and I'll put another video explaining that, but I always have one side that's rough and then one side that is a bit more smoothed out from the blade. And so when you're assembling these, the thing I like to think about is the part that's going to be showing, I like it to be the smooth part and not this rough part here. And so I'm talking about this particular board that's showing. So what I'll do is I'll organize them in a way to where all of the rough ends are on one side and then the smoother ends on the other, so that when I put them together, they look a lot nicer. And I'll do that with both of these. So for example, this here, this side's the rough side, and this kind of looks, well, actually, I don't know, that's the rough side, and this is the smooth side here. Now you could always sand it and, you know, not really think about that too much, but this kind of saves you a step from sanding some boards that you otherwise wouldn't have to do.